Hey folks, it's Dr. Sam, and I want to talk to you today about the ocular microbiome. There's been a lot written about the microbiome in terms of our intestinal health and in terms of our ocular health. I haven't seen a lot out there in the research area on the microbiome that could exist in the eyes. So I went into the research and I found a paper that was published in a journal called Experimental Eye Research. And in that journal, researchers tried to collect some bacterial strains from the inside part of the eyelid, and they tried to culture it, but to no avail. It was very difficult to get a diversification of the bacteria that may exist in the eyeball. Then in another paper, which has come out recently in Investigative Ophthalmology Journal, they used a DNA sequencing technique and they actually collected enough bacteria from the eye to actually see if there's a substantial number of strains of bacteria, and there are. And this is exciting, even though it was a small sample, that what if we do have an ocular microbiome, and how do things like taking antibiotic eye drops or steroid eye drops or even things like Visine or Restasis, how do they interact with our ocular microbiome? I mean, we know that in terms of systemic health, the microbiome could help improve our immune system, and perhaps it's connected to the reduction of an inflammatory response in the body. And I think more research needs to be done in the ocular microbiome, because if we know the bacterial strains, this could help us in terms of preventing eye disease, especially in the inflammatory areas. So that's my message for today. I want to thank you so much for tuning in, and until next time, take good care.